Kerala special Shallots coconut curry recipe. It's one of the famous traditional Kerala style recipe. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add 2 cups of grated coconut, 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Mix it well continuously. Fry it on high flame until coconut becomes light golden color.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Then keep it medium flame to avoid burning. Fry it until it becomes light brown color. Then keep it low flame and add 1.5 tablespoon red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Mix it well and cook for a minute. Now switch off the flame. Remove it into a plate to get it cooled down. After it gets cooled down, grind it in a grinder jar without adding water nicely like this. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splatters. Then keep it low flame and add 3 dry red chillies cut into halves and mix it well. Cook for just 20 seconds. Then add 1.5 cup of diced shallots. No need to chop the shallots, just cut like this. 4 green chilies cut into pieces. Some curry leaves, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons salt. Mix it well. Cook for 3 minutes in medium flame until shallots become translucent. Stir every 30 seconds. Now add 2 cups of tamarind dissolved hot water. We have dissolved small lemon-sized tamarind in 2 cups of water and filtered. Also add the coconut mixture. Mix it well. Cook on high flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, switch off the flame. Our Kerala special Shallot coconut curry recipe is ready. It's one of the famous traditional Kerala style recipe.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.